Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve excellent throws in Pokémon Go. First, understand that an excellent throw significantly boosts your experience points and increases your chances of catching a Pokémon. To execute one, you need to land your Poké Ball precisely within the smallest possible colored circle that appears inside the Pokémon's catch ring. This takes practice, but mastering it will greatly enhance your gameplay and rewards. Next, let's talk about the curveball, which is crucial for excellent throws. To perform a curveball, spin the Poké Ball in a circular motion, either clockwise or counterclockwise, until it glows. Then, release the ball with a curved trajectory, aiming for the center of the smallest target circle. This technique not only gives you bonus experience, but also provides a higher catch rate, making it a double win for trainers. Now, let's explore the circle lock method, a popular strategy for consistent, excellent throws. Begin by holding your Poké Ball until the target circle shrinks to the excellent size you desire. Release the ball without throwing it, then wait for the Pokémon to perform an attack animation. As the attack animation concludes and the target circle reappears, quickly throw your curveball to land it perfectly within the excellent zone. Finally, remember that consistent practice is key to mastering excellent throws. Don't get discouraged if it takes time. Every throw is a learning opportunity. Successfully landing an excellent throw can net you a significant 1,000 experience points, plus other bonuses, making it incredibly rewarding. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Keep practicing and happy catching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.